The Central Plains, the root of TCM culture. In ancient Chinese cosmology, China is the center of heaven and earth. Wang Di's internal classic, Wang Di Neijing, highlights the wisdom and experience of the doctors of Chinese medicine for thousands of years. And it is the earliest medical masterpiece in Chinese history. Chinese medicine is a unique science. It reflects the ancient Chinese people's exploration into the law of human life, and Chinese medicine has protected the prosperity of the Chinese nation for thousands of years. Under the guidance of ancient naive materialism and spontaneous dialectics, based on the theory of yin and yang and the five elements, TCM has conducted a system of visceral manifestation theory. It relates people to nature and forms the holism of TCM. In comprehensive analysis of the four examination methods of inspection, auscultation and olfaction, inquiry and pulse-taking and palpation, it explores etiology, pathogenicity and location of the disease by the analysis of pathogenesis and the changes of 5 viscera and 6 bowels, material and collateral, body joints, qi, blood, fluid and humor, to learn about the exuberance and debilitation of the healthy qi and the pathogenic qi, to identify the disease and type of syndrome, formulate the treatment of sweat, vomit, descent, harmony, warm, clear, complement, eliminate and so on, to achieve the harmony of yin and yang in the human body and get recovery. The Central Plains in Henan is the cradle of traditional Chinese culture. In Henan, there are a lot of remains of the ancient Chinese mythological fiction. Fuxi drawing the trigrams, Yi Ying inventing decoction, Sui Ren drilling wood to make fire, Yi Di making wine, etc. The Central Plains of Henan is also the birthplace of China's most ancient tribal leader, Emperor Wan, and the saint of medicine, Zhang Zhongjing. The culture of Zen, martial art, and medicine in Shaolin Temple, Tai Chi, were also born in Henan. Wang Di's internal classic, Shen Nong's classic of materia medica, treatise on cold damage and miscellaneous diseases are China's earliest existing books, and the symbol of the materia of TCM theory are also closely connected with Henan. The books are still playing an important role in guiding the clinical practice of traditional Chinese medicine. Especially the idea of harmony was formed in the Central Plains, which is also the core concept of TCM culture. The advantaged natural conditions have made Henan a province with the richest resources of traditional Chinese medicine, such as 4 major Huai Qin medicines. There are so many kinds of herbal species that the reserves of Chinese medicine ranks first in China. Henan University of Chinese Medicine, established in 1958, prestigious for promoting TCM culture and cultivating TCM talents. The university has achieved fruitful results in teaching, scientific research, medical treatment, and cultural inheritance and innovation. Henan University of Chinese Medicine covers an area of 1,594 mu. There are more than 19,000 students in the university, including overseas students from over 40 countries. HUCM is a co-sponsored university by province and ministry, listed in Midwestern Higher Education Revitalization Plan, and was designed to develop overseas students getting Chinese government scholarship. There is a qualified teaching faculty of 1,471, of whom were awarded Great Master of Chinese Medicine enjoyed a National Leading Talent Special Support Plan, candidate for New Century Talents projects, expert enjoying special subsidy of State Council, National Prestigious Doctor of TCM. The university has 29 undergraduate programs in Chinese medicine, acupuncture and Tuina, clinical medicine of Chinese and Western medicine, and 1 second bachelor's degree in applied psychology. There are 2 first-level disciplines authorized by doctor's degree in Chinese medicine and Chinese pharmacology. 9 first-level disciplines authorized by master's degree and 5 professional master's degrees. There is a postdoctoral research station of Chinese medicine. The university has 27 provincial-level and ministerial-level research platforms, including the international cooperation base of the Ministry of Science and Technology, the National Clinical Research Base of Traditional Chinese Medicine, and Henan Collaborative Innovation Center. A total of 170 million RMB is being spent on scientific research. The university has won 4 National Science and Technology Progress Awards. 12 Chinese medicine for external use were included in Chinese Pharmacopoeia, coordinated the drafting of 42 industry standards of diagnostic criteria and guidelines of TCM, model specification, and decoction pieces specification. Issued by the National Society, the university has become the makers of national industry standard. There are 3 affiliated hospitals providing teaching, medical treatment, and scientific research directly under the university. The prevention and treatment by TCM of respiratory disease, pediatric diseases, and the treatment of HIV and AIDS by TCM are in the leading position in China. In the past 60 years, the university has fostered more than 100,000 excellent talents of Chinese medicine. Alumni are distributed in more than 10 countries, such as the United States, Britain, Canada, Japan, and so on. 58% technical experts and managers of more than 500 hospitals and pharmaceutical enterprises in Henan graduate from Henan University of Chinese Medicine. Adhering to the ideals and beliefs of Chinese medicine, they make full use of the advantages of Chinese medicine to benefit countless patients. And erudition, inheritance, and innovation. Respect the experience that history has left to mankind and conform to harmony between all things and mankind. Henan University of Chinese Medicine will continue taking on the mission and creating a brilliant future in the course of Chinese medicine's participation in the service of world people's health.